Well, the staircase was critical. It looked like a stripper pole. When you go into the apartment, you see this pole that kind of winds up corkscrew through the ceiling.
We had an idea of what we wanted it to look like, but we had no idea whether it was actually doable.
JP Compass continually came to yes. There was never a time in the process where they said, we can't do that. Liz had a real desire to have a desk and an office within the apartment.
It was an engineering feat.
Using the space underneath the staircase because it's such a small footprint. And it was, sheer genius that Joseph came up, and what he did inside that space was spectacular.
It was awesome. For us, the quality of the material and the quality of the craftsmanship and the quality of the design all coming together was critical. And they didn't let it go until it was right.